What is log writer, one of the Oracle background processes? You can learn the answer to this question in detail by watching this video. So let's start. The log writer process writes redo log entries sequentially from the redo log buffer to the online redo log. In summary, Oracle uses the log writer background process to write log records in database memory to disk. So when is the data in the redo log buffer written to disk? When a user issues a commit statement, log records are written to disk from the redo log buffer. When a user issues a commit statement, the transaction is assigned a system change number. Log write process puts a commit record in the redo log buffer and writes it to disk immediately, along with the commit system change number and transactions redo entries. As the online redo log file fills up, the process of writing to a new log file begins. The transition phase is called switch. At the switch moment, the log writer process runs and the disk is written. The log write process can be stopped for a maximum of 3 seconds. If the log write process does not run for 3 seconds, it starts working again. The writing process begins when the redo log buffer is 1/3 full or exceeds 1 megabyte. Finally, the database writer process may want to write modified pages in the database buffer cache to disk. In this case, the log writer process runs. I also added a video about database writer to the card. You can get a lot of information about the database writer process by watching that video. In this video, I tried to answer the question of what is a log writer, one of the Oracle background processes. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.